Hey yo guys, Steven here. I've been studying crypto mining for a couple years now, and recently I just went on this massive binge, like 30-40 hours straight, watching YouTube videos about cloud hash mining services, trying to find what's actually legit. And man, I'm tired, because most creators are they're advertising straight up fake scam platforms. In their videos, everything looks perfect, runs smooth, you watch them mine and cash out, looks amazing. Then you try it yourself, and there goes your crypto, just gone. What's frustrating is there aren't many reliable platforms left that do real cloud mining anymore, and most of them, total junk. But a few are still legitimate, and cryptohash is one of them. So today, I'm walking you through how this actually works. The platform, the process, all of it. So stick around.
Okay, so first step, picking which crypto I want to mine. So I'm going with Tron here, but you can mine basically any major coin. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Solana, but I'm just using TRX for this demo. Cool. Next, I need to put in my receiving address. Okay, so pulling up Trust Wallet, one sec. Okay, copying my TRX address, switching back, pasting it right here. Yeah, easy. So now setting my target amount. Let's go with, yeah, this looks good. So next, and this matters, I choose hash power. This controls mining speed, basically. Higher is faster, but costs more as commissioning. So just find a balanced position. So setting mine to, yeah, that looks right. Good. Okay, and the final step, I'm hitting start mining. And there we go. It's running now. Now I can see operations processing, progress bar, time remaining, all that. So now just letting it run. I'll speed this part up for you guys. And okay, finished. Nice. Mining's done. So now I can either start another round or withdraw this, but it's important part. The platform needs the infrastructure fee covered before processing withdrawals. It's all shown right here. So yeah, keep in mind minimum infrastructure fee is 30 USDT for using their system. So factor that into your planning. Just everything's transparent. So I'm copying this payment address now. Just give me a sec. Okay, back here, clicking I've paid, waiting for it to verify. Good. So while this processes and I'm waiting for the tokens to hit, let me explain why this platform's actually trustworthy. In a space where like 85–90% of cloud mining sites are scams or shut down in 6 months, having one that's stable and transparent, that's rare, really rare. Most people want to mine crypto, but they're either scared of scams, which makes sense, or think they need thousands in equipment. But this app removes both barriers. No hardware buying, no scam sites that vanish. So my advice, start small. Test it with an amount you're comfortable with. See how withdrawal works. That's what I did. Once you confirm it's legit and funds actually arrive, then scale up if you want. And here's the key thing nobody mentions. cryptohash actually processes withdrawals consistently. Yeah, it sounds basic, but in this industry, that alone makes it one of the only trustworthy options left. Anyway, platform links pinned in the description and comments if you want to try it. Do your research, but this has worked for me. If this helped, drop a like. Questions? Leave them below. I read them. See ya.